Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Buckle up, put your seatbelts on, because we're about to go on a ride. Drum roll, please. We're going to be going to Gentle Monster. Now, if you know that this is a very popular, trendy brand that is kind of really popular right now. They have really cool sunglasses / regular glasses, and I was just so excited because they're known for their shops and the interior of the shops, because it's basically an art museum. So let's go ahead and check out this shop together. So as you can see, the shop is super crowded. Like, there was a super long line. I basically had to wait like an hour to get in, but like I was waiting no matter what. Here's a little sneak peek of the inside of the store. As you can see, they have a bunch of like robots everywhere. Once we were done waiting an hour in line, we were finally ready to go in. Guys, we just made it to Gentle Monster, and it is a look. Like, it's a bop. Look at this, you guys. He's looking right at me. So I don't know how they made these robotic little heads, but these were so cool, you guys. Let me know in the comments down below if you've ever seen anything like this, because I was shook. The craftsmanship of everything in this store was just A+. Like, the attention to detail to these faces were like crazy. Like, I was on a movie set. Like, we were walking into iRobot right now. Like, Elon Musk is shaking right now. Enough with the robot heads. Time to move on to the actual products that they were selling. They had so many different kinds of sunglasses and glasses. I feel like these sunglasses are very much like 90s theme. Basically, they're like 90s, 2000s gas station sunglasses. Literally, I feel like that's what they're going for. You could have went to Circle K or something in America in the 90s and got these glasses for like $10, but now, since it's 2024 version, they're gonna be like $500. One of the sunglasses that caught my eye were these pink sunglasses. I thought these were so cool. The lenses really caught me the most. It would be so fun to wear these and then everything would be pink. Then I found some other sunglasses that really caught my eye, because I was like, these are probably the only sunglasses that I would like realistically probably wear. These were pretty cute, but I wasn't like in love, so I didn't get them. Moving on to some more iRobot stuff, and they actually had these really crazy looking robots that were like interacting with each other. Not really sure what was going on because I can't speak robot. Let me know in the comments down below what your interpretation of this little dance is. Let me know. One thing that I would like to say about this shop is that the music was a big portion of the feeling of the store. The music was very loud, like it was like the same song over and over again, but I thought it was a nice little touch, because sometimes people just don't think about the music, but the sound is like a big part of art. Like, you can literally persuade somebody into a whole different feeling with the music. So then right next to the iRobot robot, they had another display of a bunch of glasses and sunglasses. They had these really crazy giant sunglasses that were like almost like a ski mask type of look, and I was like, wow, these are wild. So here's a little poster that they had on the wall with the model wearing the funny little ski goggles sunglasses. She's looking so cool though. Moving on to some more glasses, they had these really cute regular glasses, and then I found these other sunglasses that were giving gas station vibes from the 90s again. So Gentle Monster actually had 2 floors to the store, so let's go ahead and go up to the second floor. As I was making my way to go upstairs, I found some more glasses on display. I loved the little display table that they had. So once we made it upstairs, I was greeted by King Kong hanging out in the Gentle Monster store, and he was giant, you guys. He was taking up a lot of space. Here's a close-up of King Kong. He's just hanging out and waiting for Godzilla to show up. Not only did they have King Kong there, but they had a bunch of other sculptural art pieces as well. Like, they had a bunch of sparkle sculptures like on the ground. Moving on to the next sunglasses that really caught my eye were these really cute silver glasses with these pink lenses. I thought this was such a cool combo. The next item that really caught my eye were these sour candy textured glasses. These were a look. Like, you guys, if you were wearing these, people would definitely be like, yo, where'd you get your glasses from? Next on our list were these other pink glasses, and these ones were so cute. They were kind of squishy. These ones really reminded me of like Powerpuff Girls. These were a bop. Then I found another version of those black sunglasses that I tried on, but these ones were kind of like a grayish blue color. Of course, I had to try them on for you guys. Let me know if you think I should have got them. Then I found another display of regular glasses, and I found these really cute gold ones that had a star on the side of it, but I didn't like the shape. It was giving Harry Potter, and I was like, I'm not a fan. Then I had to show you guys another poster that they had on the wall. This model's skin was literally glowing. It looked so perfect. So then after that, we were basically done with the upstairs, and it was time to leave the store. But before leaving the store, I just had to say bye to my homies, my iRobots in the front, because I was like, bye guys, you are the coolest thing I've seen in my entire life. So with that being said, we were done with Gentle Monster. If I had to rate the Gentle Monster store, I would give it 100 out of 10 points because it was so cool. Literally the coolest store I've ever been to in my entire life. I was shook. It was a masterpiece. I want to give the Gentle Monster person a Grammy. They deserve it. It was perfect. I would highly recommend you going to a pop-up Gentle Monster store if you can. And Gentle Monster, if you're watching this, you really did a great job, and I would love to get on the PR list. So I hope you guys liked this little tour of the Gentle Monster pop-up shop in Tokyo. That's pretty much it. Let me know in the comments down below if you've ever gotten to go to a Gentle Monster pop-up store ever, anywhere. Let me know because I would love to know, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!